Step 1. Eligibility requirements. In Montana, the license is issued to you, but the state will only issue it with employer verification. In practice, you need to be hired or have a written job offer from a licensed private security firm before the license is issued. Your employer must also verify your employment and certify your 16-hour training as part of your application. You have to be 18 or older with a high school diploma or GED, a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident, have a fingerprint-based Montana DOJ and FBI background check, and be employed by a licensed private security firm. The license is portable. When you switch jobs, the new employer must verify your employment with the board. Step 2. Complete the 16-hour pre-assignment course. Topics include guards roles, ethics, legal authority, reporting, patrolling, and more. It's delivered by approved providers, often through your employer. Completion must be certified by your employer in your application. It's typically in person, but some providers deliver online components. The cost is usually $100 to $200, but it's often employer covered if you're already hired. Step 3. Proof of completion. Once you finish training, keep your training certificate. Your employer will certify you completed the 16 hours in the application, but you should still hold a certificate for your records. All links are in the video description. Step 4. Fingerprinting and background check. Complete your fingerprinting and background check. Montana requires a state and FBI check. Follow the BSD instructions, mail your fingerprint card and a $30 DOJ fee to Montana Criminal Records. Some locations charge an extra local rolling fee to capture prints. Bring your government ID, use the code the board provides for your license type. You can capture prints at local law enforcement or schedule with Montana DOJ Criminal Records in Helena. Mail the card, $30 to MT-DOJ plus any local capture fee. Step 5. Submit the application online through Montana's licensing portal. You can submit the application, but the board won't issue your license until your employer verifies your employment and certifies your 16-hour training. In practice, many firms help complete or finalize the submission on their side. Apply online. Upload ID photo, training proof, fingerprint receipt, employment details. Application fee is $100, non-refundable. The board will match your employer's verification and your fingerprint results before issuance. Step 6. Let's break down the typical costs in Montana. Training is $100 to $200. It's provider and employer dependent. The fingerprinting, $30 to Montana DOJ plus a local rolling fee, often $10 to $30. The application fee is $100. The estimated total is $240 to $330. And for perspective, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, median pay for guards in Montana is $16.65 an hour, with a mean annual wage of $36,810. Step 7. After your application, employer verification, training certification, and fingerprint results are all in, the state issues your license. You'll see it in the portal and/or receive it by mail. Carry a printed or digital copy while on duty. Step 8. Renew every year. Montana's renewal window opens 60 days before expiration, and all private security program licenses are due by March 1st each year. The renewal fee is $100. The late fee is $200. Maintain your employer-provided refresher training per program rules. Now that you're licensed and employed, keep building experience and search for other jobs using job boards like Indeed. Grab free tools via my Beacons page and premium digital study products on Etsy. For in-depth discussions and advice, check out r/guard guides on Reddit. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guard guides, and be safe.